Good evening, everybody. This is Nelson Jones for Backend Boot Camp. This will be my first attempt at recording ever and uploading to a YouTube channel. So let's get started. Where I'm going to show you how to create a repository for GitHub and then upload some files. So first, here we're going to name our repository. Backend class, and make sure you mark it as public and create repository. Once you hit create repository, you're going to see this line of code here that you're going to use to create the repository, but you need to do it in command prompt. So I already have command prompt up. Actually, I have to go out here. I'm gonna create a folder and call this BE-class on my desktop. And I'm gonna copy all these folders over here. I've done this a couple times, so I'm getting some good practice tonight. And we'll shut this. And paste the file folders in, and we can close it, and we can get back to bringing up the website, the GitHub website, and the command prompt. So all I have to do is cd ... to back out once, and then cd be-class to go into that folder. So here we'll go ahead and follow these command line prompts here, and the first one we'll do is the echo. And I'm sorry that if I can't type and talk at the same time. Okay, so once you have this all typed in and you hit enter and there's no errors, it goes to the next command prompt, then you know everything's going well. And you hit enter and it went to the next one. So next we want to do the git init, which initialized the repository here. And that message there says the repository has been initialized, and now you want to add the README file. So here we do git add readme.md, and this adds a README file to the repository. So next you're going to add a line or a commit statement showing this is your first commit. So all it is git commit. Remember, case does matters. We're going to run into the this message here again. So just be careful. First commit. And here it shows that we have created the first commit, which is just a restore point. So it tells you when you did it first. So we'll go to the next one and create the branch, the main branch. Branch dash capital M here and type in main, and this creates the main branch. So here, the next one, we're going to add the repository, and you have to include the entire website. So the easiest thing to do here is just to copy and paste the entire website. And go to C, Control C, bring back the command real quick, and you can type in a git remote add origin. And here all you have to do is hit Control V. And this is for a Windows machine, not sure what it is for a Mac. So, and once you hit enter, there was no errors and it went to the next line. So now you're gonna do a git status. Git status shows you the status of your repository here. And it shows that on the main branch, nothing has been committed yet. So next we will do the git push -u origin main. If you typed it correctly, which I didn't, it would probably work. Push -u origin main. And there you go. With all this information here, it shows that your main branch has been created. So we're here. If you go out and go back to the website, you should be able to hit refresh and it'll take you into your folder, the BE class or whatever you have named your repository. So next we want to add files, and I've already created some files there on the desktop, and I will highlight these, whoops, and do a Control X. Control X copies it, but once you go into the folder and go to where you want to and do a Control V, it removes it from where you copied it from and puts it to where you want to put it. So there's that. So now there's some more commands we would have to follow to push those files into our repository. So I have created a document. It's actually going to be uploaded into the repository. So let's go ahead and follow it. So first one, git add, and you want to make sure you're doing this in the folder that you created or the directory that you created earlier. And add dot is everything within that directory. So, all right, from there we can do a git status, and it shows you, it's in green showing you these are the files that are going to be pushed or uploaded into your repository. So git status just shows you the status of what you're working on now. So if you do another git commit dash lowercase m, you're adding another message, and should be pretty descriptive to tell you what you're working on or what you're adding, and pushing files. Okay. So if I do a git status, your branch is ahead and it shows that there was one commit. Nothing's been committed yet. So it's once you hit the git dot push, it will go through the process and it uploaded. So now if you go back to your website or your GitHub website and do a refresh again, you will see that it added a new folder with the files. So if you just click on that folder, it will show you what's inside of it. Here, I created a text document and showed you this shows you the commands for the command prompt, how to push files to our existing repository. Um, and I created a small little Java program. It's not much, but if you go in here, and if you want to download it and run it, that's fine. But it just says Merry Christmas and have a Happy New Year. So thank you for watching, and hopefully I'll talk to you next year at the next class. All right, thanks. Bye.